Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in and let everyone know that my new website is officially live. So I'm so excited about this, guys. So make sure you head on over to www.shehasflavor.com. You can sign up for my newsletter and you'll be the first to learn about my new recipes. I won't be posting everything on YouTube. I'm going to leave some things just for my blog. So make sure you follow me over there. I will leave the link listed down below. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you 3 easy popsicle recipes that are going to be perfect for this summer. So let's get started. So the first recipe I'm going to show you for popsicles is strawberry kiwi popsicles. This is one of my favorite flavors. So I'm just taking some diced strawberries, diced kiwi, a little bit of sugar and lime juice, and then I'm going to blend everything in my blender until it's smooth. I did also reserve a little bit of diced kiwi on the side. We're going to add those to our popsicle molds later. Now, I don't mind the seeds from the strawberries, but if you're someone who doesn't like the seeds at all, just go ahead and strain this before you move on to add them to your popsicle mold. All right, guys, and so the next popsicle I'm going to show you is the watermelon lemonade one. And I really like this one because it reminds me so much of the watermelon lemonade sold at Chick-fil-A. It has fresh watermelon, lemon juice, and a little bit of fresh mint and sugar. So I basically just put everything in a blender and I do strain it out just to remove a little bit of that watermelon pulp. And the final popsicle I'm going to show you is the pineapple mango yogurt pop. Now this one is a little bit healthy, so you may like this one if you just want something very natural. It has, of course, fresh pineapple, mango, and I blend those two together until it's nice and pureed. And then what I do is I take a little bit of yogurt and I mix this with honey really well. And then I'll go ahead and layer these in my popsicle mold. All right, it is time to fill our popsicle molds with all of our popsicle filling. And it really doesn't matter which mold you decide to use for your popsicles. I honestly prefer to use silicone molds because they're just so much easier to remove popsicles from. And they're also really cost efficient. They're easier to clean. I can go on and on. So yeah, you may want to pick yourself up a silicone mold. They'll be way easier to use than the one I'm using right now. But yeah, so we just fill the molds up to the top with the filling. Then we're going to place our lids tightly on top, add a popsicle stick to each one, and then these are going to go into the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. Guys, these popsicles were so easy to make, and you don't even need a lot of ingredients to make delicious popsicles. So don't be afraid to get out there and mix and match different flavor combinations to create your own. I will link all these delicious popsicle recipes for you to try down below. Check them out on my blog. I'll link that too so that you can check that out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your all-time favorite popsicle flavor is. Mine is cherry. I just love cherry so much. But anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.